Welcome everybody to the channel. This is April the 18th, the official last day of tax season. If you're watching and you haven't already filed your tax return, make sure you file your tax return by the day, because if you don't file by the day, you will be subject to penalties and interest. I always try to give news updates weekly, and I have been getting it throughout the tax season. So even after today, you guys, I will still be giving you updates weekly, because a lot of people still have not received their tax refunds, and a lot of people still have not filed. Some people still have the automatic the extensions, the one who are in different areas. You can go to irs.gov for those of you who want to learn about the automatic extension. Okay. To receive more updates like this, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I see I already have a question in my inbox on the video, and I go over everything, and then I come back and answer the question for you guys. Okay. Again, this is the last day of tax season. So if you haven't already filed, make sure that you file. For those of you who have been waiting on your money, I know it's been a long journey. And I know it's been difficult. I can continue to say, just be patient with the IRS and make sure that you reach out to your tax preparer, you reach out to the IRS concerning. Don't wait. Some of you who have been waiting 30 days or more, make sure you contact the IRS. You need a number. Contact in this video. Let me know, look, I haven't returned, I hadn't heard anything, and I'll give you a number so you'll be able to contact somebody from the IRS. I had to help several people with that. Okay. All right. If you need help with any information about the error department, I have videos on my channel. Go to my channel. Error department, stuck on one bar, amended returns, letter 12C. I went over all of that. I can't cover all that today because I'm not going to be on here long, you guys. So make sure you go back to the channel and watch those videos that you have missed. Okay. If you have a transcript and you looked at your transcript and you have a tax code with a date, that does not mean that is your refund date. That means it's still in processing, and they're going to continue to process it up to that date. And they'll also let you know by your transcript or the WMR what is your due date. Okay. All right. So you can go to WMR to check your due dates. Now, the WMR updates on Saturdays. Okay, you guys, on Saturdays, and the transcripts update. So check back Friday if your transcript has not updated, and also the WMR. And sometimes, once again, your money will come before any of those updates. For those of you who are discouraged saying my transcript is stuck or the WMR is not updating, sometimes that does not change and you still receive your money. I've been telling you guys that throughout the tax season. Okay. If you receive a letter from the IRS and they telling you to respond, make sure that you respond. If they tell you to respond, even if you disagree, I've been telling people that, and do not amend that tax return just because they sent you a letter, because if you do, it's going to take a long time. It's already taken 20 plus weeks with amended returns. A lot of people from the other years still have not received their amended return money or any information. So make sure if you have an amended return that you filed and you haven't heard anything back from, that you go back and watch that video. If you have any questions, make sure you drop them down in this video. And also after this video, after I go off, if you want to comment, then you can, for those of you who rewatch the video as well. I will be giving the contact numbers and also answering some of your questions. Okay. All right, let me see. Savannah. If my refund A46 code was April 12th, 23, and I'm receiving a check, should I have my money by the day? Or I know you had commented on one of my videos, and I can't give you an answer because it depends on the IRS. So you have to go back to your tax preparer or contact the IRS, and they will let you know when you should receive your money. But it shouldn't take you that long. I'm gonna say that it shouldn't take you that long if they was on the April the 12th, okay, to receive your check. But I can't give you the date on the IRS, can give you, or your tax preparer, whoever you did your tax with, Savannah, okay? So if you have any more questions, make sure you drop it in this video. Hey, Tori, how you doing? Welcome. Any more questions, you let me know. What I'm going to do is start putting the numbers down, okay? The tax offset number, 1-800-304-3107. For those of you who don't know and new to my channel, I know I've been sharing on all videos, but it sometimes be new people, you guys, and they don't know. So I have to make sure I reshare these numbers. Amended returns, you can go to this number on the screen, 1-866-464-2050. Refund smaller than expected, 1-800-829-1040. Also, that number, if you put in the wrong account and routing number and you're expecting a check, you want a check to be sent, make sure you contact them as well. You have hardship, contact a taxpayer advocate. You have to prove that hardship and be qualified. Go to that www.taxpayeradvocate.irs.gov or call that 1-877-777-4778 on your screen. For those of you who have hardship and part of your return that was taken or all of it, okay? You have to qualify. This does not mean just because I'm putting up here you can qualify, okay? You have to prove your hardship. Okay, and then also my new business number is 1-833-929-4722. Okay, you guys. It's been a long tax season, you guys, and I know a lot of you are starting to get discouraged because you feel like that you will never receive your refund, but just be patient, you guys. Be patient. I know that's hard to do because you want your money. But the IRS has so many refunds and more are going to be coming as well because there's a lot of extension, you guys. So be patient and just wait on the IRS, okay? And contact the numbers that I put on your screen. If you can't reach anybody, again, I have been giving numbers to people in the comments. So make sure you comment on this video. Let me know I haven't received my return. How long has it been? Or any information you would have shared with me. And I try to help you to the best of my ability. Now, some information you're going to have to contact your tax preparer to be able to get that information. Okay, you guys? Okay. If you want any more information about stuck on one bar, amended returns, error department, and the letters, make sure you watch my other videos on the channel, okay? All right, y'all have a great day.